Introducing the QAPPDA Mason Jars, a set of 20 high-quality glass jars with lids. These 12 ounces mason jars are perfect for canning and preserving, as well as for kitchen storage. Made from the highest quality materials, these jars are durable and convenient to use. The thick glass is lead-free and food-safe, ensuring that your stored items remain fresh and safe to consume. With a size of 2.55 at the bottom, 4.82 in height, and a 2.55 inches wide mouth, these jars offer ample storage space for your needs. The classic elegant design of these mason jars adds a touch of style to your kitchen. The transparent glass allows you to easily see what's inside, making it convenient to organize your kitchen and home. The included black lids seal tightly, preventing any leaks and preserving your food for longer periods. Despite the tight seal, these lids are easy to open and close. These jars are not only great for canning and preserving, but also for a variety of other purposes. They are perfect for holding wedding favors, shower favors, or homemade gifts. You can use them to store and organize spices, herbs, cookies, snacks, candies, drinks, powders, and more. Get creative and fill them with bath salts, body butter, nuts, buttons, beads, lotions, essential oils, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Safety is also a top priority with these glass jars. They are made from 100% food-safe grade glass and are BPA-free. You can safely use them for storing your food, and they are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. With over 2,000 customer ratings and an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, these QAPPDA Mason Jars are highly regarded by customers. They are currently ranked number 6,692 in the kitchen and dining category and number 38 in canning jars. The ASIN for this product is B07QCP54Z3, and it was first available on April 8, 2019. Experience the convenience and versatility of these QAPPDA Mason Jars and elevate your kitchen storage game. Get your set of 20 high-quality glass jars with black lids today by clicking the short link in the description.